Anda que el puente.
Okay.
That.
See? Holy smokes.
No.
You wanna go, you wanna touch that waterfall?
No.
No, I don't think that's a good idea. Ay, Dios mío. En video. Ariani, you're awesome, you know that? We're doing this hike.
I didn't pee.
No?
I did pee.
Cuenta los waterfalls, Ariani. Catorce. And there's the top of the big one then, in the trees. We climbed all the way down from the bottom there. Trails pretty much like this. Okay, this is our day so far. We started at the bottom. There was a landslide danger which caused us to go all the way down from the river down there up here, up the side of this hill. Somehow we made it with these crazy kids. Hard to soak in the sights when you're this tired. Right, Thanos?
Yep.
Well, we did it.
Yep.
We still got to make it down there, but at least it's downhill. We can't even see the big waterfall that we went to the base of. We climbed up
I think it's over there.
all the way from that river down there.
I think it's over there, Dad.
I think it's around the hill where you can't see it, where those clouds are over there. Easily the hardest hike I've ever done, right? Definitely, goes without saying, you.
Yep.
High fives. Y tu hermana también.
Sí.
Ay, los incas. El espíritu de los incas. ¿Sí? Fana chacha. Okay, now you can see where we started from. That's the village we started from. And we took horses. Well, the kids took horses part of the way.
Most of the way.
All the way down at the bottom. And tucked behind there where those clouds is the big waterfall. When we got back, landslide made us climb all the way up here. And now we're heading back down. Right to the base of those mountains over there is how high we got. Thanos, you were awesome. Your sister was awesome. Your mother was awesome. I'm tired.
That was the best.
Let's go home and get dry. Vamos.
And take a warm shower.
Warm shower.